Hi guys, this is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to learn about... Before we start, shout out to all my subscribers. Okay, thank you for subscribing and thank you for staying in my channel. And shout out to all my maths fanatics. Okay, so if you are ready to learn about... So stay tuned and let's go. Okay. In multiplication of decimal by 10 or by 100 or by 1000, if we have, for example, if we have 5.8 times 10, okay? So if we're going to apply the traditional way, this is how it goes. Like 5.8 times 10. Yeah, so we do that way, in traditional way. 0 is 0, okay, then 0 times 5 is 0, then 1 times 8 is 8, so we put it here in the second digit, and then 1 times 5 is 5, then we add them. Okay, so 5, bring down 0, then 8, then 5. So since there is one number in the right side of the decimal point here, so we count from here so to 1. Okay, so since the decimal point of the whole number is in here, so we count 1 because there is one number in the right side of the decimal point, so we count 1, 2, 3. So it's, since it is only 1, so we put the decimal point in here. So the answer is 58.0 or 58 in traditional way. Okay, but in the quickest way, when we multiply 5.8 by 10, we just move one time the decimal point going to the right. Yeah, so it will become 58. Okay, because the decimal, since the decimal point is in here, so we move it to the right one time because there is 1 0 in there. Yeah, 1 0 in 10, so we move the decimal point going to the right one time, so it will become 58 or 58.0. okay, so it's the same anyway. Okay, now if you're going to multiply 5.8 times 100, okay, so since there are 2 0 in 100, so you move your decimal point going to the right twice. Yeah, 2 times, so 1, okay, and then 2, then you just add there, add 1 0, so the answer will become 580. Okay, so since there are 2 zeros in 100, you move your decimal point going to the right twice, so 1, 2, so you just add 1 0 in there, and then the answer will become 580. Right? Now another one, if you are going to multiply 5.8 times 1000, so as you can see here, in 1000 there are 3 zeros. Yeah, so you're going to multiply, you're going to move your decimal point 3 times. Okay, 3 times going to the right. So this is the first time, 1, 2, and then 3. So the decimal point will be moved here. Then you just add 1 0 in there, and then 1 0 in there. So the answer when you multiply 5.8 by 1000, the answer is 5800, and that is 5800. Isn't it more easy than doing the traditional way? So that's how to multiply decimals by 10, by 100, or by 1000. Okay, so let's take another example. So if you have, let's say, 24.673, yeah, so 24.673 times 10. So again, in 10 there is 1 0. Yeah, so you move your decimal point going to the right one time. So since the decimal point is in here, so you move going to the right it one time. So the decimal point will be moved here. Yeah, and your answer will become 246.73. Alright, so that's the quickest way on how to multiply decimal number by 10. Okay, what if you are asked to multiply 24.673 times 100? If you are asked to multiply this number by 100, what will be the answer? So the answer will become what? 247.3. How did you do that? Or how did you get that answer? Because in 100 there are 2 zeros, so we move our point or decimal point going to the right 2 times. So 1, 2, and the decimal point will be moved here. Okay, so it will become 2467.3. Alright, okay. And similarly, if you are asked to multiply 24.673 times 1000, so since there are 3 zeros in 1000, so you're going to move your decimal points going to the right 3 times. Yeah, so 3 times, so 1, 2, and 3, so the decimal point will be moved here. Okay, so your answer will become 24673 or 24,673. That is the product when you multiply 24.673 by 1000. Okay, so hope you like it, and if you want to learn more techniques or tricks in maths, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. So stay tuned for the incoming videos. Thank you.